After working with hundreds of global brands, I've noticed that most IP mistakes foreign companies made in China come from simple misunderstandings. So today, let's talk about the 5 biggest ones and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Thinking my EU or US trademark covers China. Trademarks don't cover. If you haven't filed in China, you are not protected. And because China follows a first to file system, someone else can register your mark, even your factories. The solution is always file in China earlier, even if you don't sell here. Mistake 2. Waiting until production to file a patent. Factories move faster. If seeing clients send CAD files for a prototype or later discover the factory filed the same invention first. Solution: file a provisional or PCT before sharing your design. Mistake 3. Believing an NDA is enough. NDAs protect confidentiality, no ownership. If the factory registers your design or brand,
you still lose control.
So the solution includes exclusive IP ownership clauses in your OEM contracts. Mistake 4. Ignoring custom record. Even if you had a registered trademark, Chinese customs won't automatically protect you. You must record your IP with them. Solution: file a custom IP recorder to block counterfeit exports. Mistake 5. Registering your mark in English only. Copycats love translating your brands into Chinese. They will register the Chinese version first and start selling under your translated name. So the solution: register both your English and Chinese brands names. Protecting your IP in China isn't complicated. It's just about acting earlier and knowing the system. At China IP Gateway, we help foreign startups and global brands avoid these mistakes before they cost you your brand.